Windshield WIPER sends himself to the University of the West Indies.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
At age 11, Dwayne Whittaker ran away from home and was begging on the street. After a while, he felt uncomfortable doing this and set out to find other ways to make money. The sight of men wiping windshields for a living caught his attention, and so he decided to start doing it, as for him it was way better than begging. He was not attending school, and so for years Whittaker wiped windshields and saved his money. Years later, he enrolled himself into the Archus Institute and did a data entry course. From then, his life started to make a turn for the better. I grew up on my own. My father never did send me to school, so I start runway, go homes and them thing there. I remember I did there around New Kingston and I see some youth a wipe car glass, and I try it and I say it work. It made me feel like me accomplished something, he said. For years, Whittaker searched to find his passion, and an introduction to a producer paved the way for him. His passion was soon realized when he decided to start doing graphic design and video editing, which he taught himself to do. I continued my journey until I get introduced to computer, and then I just take my time and wipe car glass and buy myself my first laptop. And from there so, I save up half of what camera costs, give to someone, and them help me to buy my first camera, he said. His drive to achieve more was pushing him even further, and when his son was born, the determination got stronger. Not forgetting where he started, Whittaker said that he never abandoned windshield wiping because it is putting food on the table and even sending himself and his son to school. I feel good about my success. Worse, me get me youth, and I have something where I have to prove to him, and him appreciate what I do for him and the work what I do, and I not do nothing wrong, he said. Now enrolled at the University of the West Indies and doing a 3-month course in film production, Whittaker said that he is happy about his enrollment and is working to get his certification in that field. Looking into the future, the 33-year-old said that he's hoping to have a company that does everything via social media. He said that through his medium, he is hoping to give people a chance to show their talent to the world. Right now, I do social media marketing, video editing, graphic design, music management, and me have a TV thing on YouTube on Fridays to give the up-and-coming artists a chance for the world to see them, he said.
So we got studio vibes, one more studio, which one we got get done on Slime Road.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.